Hello, and welcome to today's video with BSG Universal. Across the globe, agricultural industries, or even recreational industries such as golf courses, are facing one of the toughest challenges of our time: the water crisis. Droughts, rising costs, and growing restrictions are making water harder and harder to come by. And that's directly impacting crops, turf, and food production. But here's something many don't realize. It's not just a lack of rainfall or irrigation limits causing these problems. Much of it comes down to what's happening inside the soil. Salt buildup pulls water away from roots, blocking plants from drinking what they need. On top of that, soil often becomes compacted and lifeless over time. The natural biology, microbes, fungi, and organic matter, dies off, leaving the soil hard and crusted like concrete. When this happens, water can't soak in, it simply runs off or evaporates. The result? Plants stay thirsty, and farmers or groundskeepers are forced to use more and more water just to keep things alive. And that's exactly where our SRT plan makes the difference. Our first part of the solution is Salt Fighter. It directly targets sodium chloride, or NaCl. By breaking it apart at a molecular level, ensuring it won't return, we restore the soil's ability to let water move freely to the roots. No salt means no wasted water. Plants can finally use the irrigation they're given, instead of fighting against it. Next, our master Humic Potassium revitalizes the soil itself. It lowers the soil pH, creating the right environment for microbes to thrive and nutrients to unlock. With biology restored, the soil comes back to life, rebuilding structure and organic matter. Instead of staying hard and compacted, the soil becomes soft, fluffy, and cushioned, like a sponge. Healthy soil soaks up water, holds onto it, and slowly releases it to the roots over time. That means less runoff, less evaporation, and far greater water retention. In short, every drop of water goes further. When you combine Salt Fighter and Master Humic Potassium in the SRT plan, you solve the core issues of soil health. And in doing so, you save water. The result is healthier soil, stronger plants, greener turf, and significant water savings. At BSG Universal, we're proud to deliver solutions that work with nature, not against it. Because saving soil is saving water, and saving water is securing our future. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how the SRT plan can transform your soil and conserve water, or to place an order, reach out to us today.